Good evening, everyone. Today is July 23rd, 2025, which is Wednesday. I know you have not seen Wilhelmina for 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 a few weeks. I only come online live when I have interviewed the buyer, and then after the interview of the buyer, I immediately share the price of gold for everyone to know. Now, today, as I have said, the price of gold on the world market is 3,428.49. In dollars term is 110.240.68 per kilo. Now, you're not buying this 110 because this 110.240 is refined with its gold bullion. The gold bullion deposited at the central bank and to the refinery. Now you are buying raw materials, which is Doribar, unrefined. The carat is from 22 to 23 carats. The purity from 95 to 97.5 purity. It depends on every bar. Why you want to buy gold? This is the question. I can see that gold is a lucrative business. The paper money has no value at the moment because the paper money has been devalued. Now, I understand that gold is your investment. Gold does not lose its value over time. Gold is a reliable defender against inflation. Now, we are now on the world inflation. You must remember, even if the price of gold falls, the demand still keep going. It still keep on growing because this is the world asset you are buying. Gold can make into different uses. To make into wedding ring, to make into bracelet, to make into necklace, to make into full set, to make into $1, to make into spare parts, and so on. Now, the gold is a tool to diversity investment risk. Sometimes you win, you lose, but you have to be vigilant as well. Because when you buy gold, the price of gold down and then up and down, but still, you still keep the solid money because your paper money has no value at all. The paper money, the dollar, has been devalued. I just been to Africa. I had leftover US dollar. When I changed it to Australian dollar, the US dollar has been devalued. Yes? So, it's about time for you guys to pay attention. Why Africa is a rich continent? Africa has 54 countries. Ghana, Mali, Sierra Leone, Conakry, Nairobi, Tanzania, Congo, Kampala, etc., etc. I handle the seller who produce gold, Mali, Sierra Leone, and Conakry. Mali is the third largest gold producer in West Africa. Let's talk about Mali. Mali has 4 refineries. Russian refinery build their refinery. They are buying gold to Mali to invest into infrastructure. Mali has a refinery called DNGM. It's run by the government. Kankamusa, run by Italian group of company. Marina, it's a partner with local and Chinese and Indian. So that is how you buy gold in Mali. Now, when you buy gold in Mali, you need to send Wilhelmina your credential. Or, after you watch this video, you come for conference. And I will interview you whether you are a serious buyer or not. So, in every country, have a different policy. but the procedure is still the same. The price is still the same. The carat is still the same. The purity is still the same. The procedure are all the same. Whether you buy gold in different part of Africa, this is FOB. This is not CIF. This is not SBLC standard letter of credit. No one is giving you for free. Nobody. CIF stands for cost, insurance, and freight only. You cannot take the gold out of the country unless you pay the gold. Now let's talk about Conakry. Conakry has a different procedure as well. You place your order, the same as I mentioned on Mali. You need to place your order. You need to have a contract. Before you place an order, you come for conference with Wilhelmina, because Wilhelmina will interview you whether you are qualified or not. During our interview, during your interview with me, because I'm going to interview you thoroughly, I need to know who you are. You need to introduce yourself when you come for conference. Now, when you come for conference, I'm going to interview you. I'm going to ask you how long you've been searching for gold, why you want to buy gold, what is the purpose. Then you're going to say, oh, I want to buy gold to sell it to Dubai. That is fine. Do you have a capital? Because this is not for credit. This is FOB. So when you meet the criteria during my interview, I need to see your credential. I need to see your business registration. I need to see your importation license. I need to see your passport copy and the proof of fund that you have available fund $1 million or $900,000. In Sierra Leone, exactly the same. Now, when you place an order, we're going to send you a confirmation minimum of 20 kilos. It's not worth it for you to travel to buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos, 5 kilos. It's not worth it. Why? Because there is a cost. So at least minimum of 20 kilos. This is for you, Mr. Buyer, if you're really transparent, if you're really a buyer. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, can I reduce it? I will see until you convince me, because I am your business facilitator. At the same time, I am the seller's extension. I have the power to reject you, and I have the power to renegotiate on your behalf at the same time. Now, bear with me, because my services is not for free. And you need Wilhelmina to travel with you in order to get this precious mineral, gold and diamond. Now, when I travel with you, meaning to say, you place your order, you will receive the confirmation of your order, you will receive the contract, the confirmation that you qualified, because Wilhelmina will qualify you. Yeah? And then you will receive the contract. I will gather your vital information, your address, your email, where the gold to be delivered. I am very, very strict. This is not cutting corner. This is not. This is very lucrative business if you are a serious buyer. So now, you meet the criteria. You will receive seller's mining license, export license, passport copy of the seller, and the contract. Wilhelmina will review the contract from the head office, and I will put your contact number and email, etc., etc., and Wilhelmina will only countersign that you meet the criteria. Now, when you meet the criteria, you will receive the landing visa, because you receive the contract, you're happy, you read the contract first before we're going to send you the landing visa. The seller will invite you as a company guest. Now, when you receive the landing visa, Wilhelmina will invoice you, because Wilhelmina will travel with you. and Wilhelmina will charge her extra service. Meaning to say, I am charging you my travel cost. $20,000 for my trip to cover my traveling expenses and miscellaneous to be with you. Now, if you cannot afford to pay $20,000 for my extra service, non-refundable, meaning to say you cannot afford to pay the gold. Now, if you qualified and agree that Wilhelmina will travel with you, if you're gonna be on the ground with Wilhelmina, do not go behind my back. Do not cut corner. Do not screw Wilhelmina, because it happened. I was being screwed. And be careful, because if you're gonna screw Wilhelmina, I'm going to expose your information, your picture, your passport, and our communication. So do not betray Wilhelmina. Do not. Make sure that you are really serious buyer. Right. So if you cannot afford to pay my extra service, you can travel by yourself. Now you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, how much you think you can give us a discount? Now the price of gold today is 3,431.72. It increases every half an hour. Okay? In dollars term is 110. 332.28. That is already refined. You're not buying refined, you are buying unrefined. Just a moment, I'm gonna drink my cappuccino. You are buying unrefined, which is gold bar dore. 22 plus, which is 23. The purity is from 95 to 97.5. It varies bar to bar. Now, on 5%, your profit is 5,512.34. The selling price is 104,728 if I'm not with you. But if I'm gonna be with you, you will get more than 5% discount. I might pressure the head office to give you 10 to 11% because you are paying my extra. Right. So at the end of the day, you are a winner. Now I might consider to give you 11%, which is your profit per kilo is 12,126.47. And when you resell it to 2%, you still get 9% profit. Yeah. So, when you convince Wilhelmina, yes, I am a very good negotiator on your behalf. Because the seller would look at your credential that you have $1 million standby in your bank account. You don't need to worry about it because your money is stuck into your bank account. I just want to see it so that I could convince my head office to give you a very good layaway price. So, if 11%, the selling price is 98,114 per kilo. I might ask the seller, okay, let's give the buyer 96. So at the end of the day, you're a winner. You owe me a favor. I don't owe you a favor. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service, 5%, yes, you trouble. But if there is an issue, I'm too far. Even I was on the ground, the buyer go behind my back. So when you go behind my back, I can guarantee you are going to fail. I can guarantee 100%. So do not go behind my back because I'm gonna be with you on the ground. And why you go behind my back? If you are hesitant, just talk to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina, can you talk to your seller? can you reduce it? I will. I will do that. But don't be a traitor. Because one buyer go behind my back. What happened? Failure. Yes. So, when I charge you $20,000, I'm going to send you an invoice. That invoice, non-refundable. You must remember, that $20,000 cover my airline ticket from Australia to Africa, the hotel accommodation, the miscellaneous, the entertainment. I threw back to you at the end of the day that $20,000 is just not enough. Is not enough. One representative of the buyer from Dubai, he charged his buyer $30,000 of his work. I am charging you for my work is $20,000 only. In return, you will get a handsome profit. Yes. This year, 2025, yes, $20,000. Next year, I will increase my service, extra service of $25,000. When the gold is high, my services also increase. So the gold is very expensive. You are buying expensive item. Wilhelmina services is also expensive. So you need to make sure that when you invest into gold business, you need to have a capital. Again, we don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos, or 5 kilos. Is not worth it. Make it 15 kilos. I will squeeze it. I will make sure I can squeeze my head office. But you need to convince Wilhelmina. Don't bank on it. Okay? Now, as I've said to you, why you want to buy gold? What is the purpose? I know you're a businessman. There is a purpose. Yeah, there is. Yeah. You buy gold for your investment. You buy gold for profit. You would not be in business if you don't get the profit. If I'll give you 5%, you get a profit of 5,000 per kilo. 5,512 per kilo. But if I'll give you 11 to 12%, yes, you get $12,000 per kilo or $13,000 per kilo. Yeah. In return, you owe me a favor. If you cannot afford to pay my extra service, you can travel. Yeah? And I'm not here to babysit you online. Listen to this video. When I open my mouth, there is a message on this video. And I'm no longer giving you the procedure. I'm no longer giving a procedure. When I open my mouth, the word is coming on this screen. Understand? So now, Mr. Buyer, what can I do for you? I just finished having a conference with a buyer from UK. He's been having a conference with me, still he cannot comprehend. And I educate him. He's a little bit of a buyer's representative. And he said that he has a buyer from Dubai. Oh, everybody bring gold to Dubai, you must remember. Because Dubai is a hub. Why they bring gold to Dubai? Dubai is a dumping country to bring gold from Africa. And they will refine it because Dubai, the tax is cheaper. And when they refine the gold into gold bullion, then the new owner will sell it to the bank. And the new owner will supply to his own customer around the world. So Dubai is as transit. Why Russia having built a refinery in Mali? Why? They're buying gold. And then they're gonna refine it. And then sell it to their own customer. I read the articles that Russia selling gold to China. Where the gold coming from? Africa. Russia buying gold in Mali, and in exchange, the government of Mali give Russian an incentives in exchange of investment. That is normal. That is business. Yeah. To you, you are going to invest gold, and then you are going to use Wilhelmina in order to get the supply. You found the supplier because I work for the seller. The seller hired Wilhelmina to tell the world that Africa is the main source of supply. 98% of Africa, gold and diamond and other precious mineral produced in Africa. You must remember, do not underestimate Africa. Africa is a 54 countries. Africa is rich on natural resources. Africa is a rich continent. And why Italian group of companies in Africa? Why Australian mining companies in Africa? Why Italian? Why German? Why European? Why Middle East? Why Dubai people travel to Africa searching for precious mineral? Now you are the buyer also searching for Wilhelmina. You bump into my YouTube channel. Welcome to my platform, because this platform will give you more knowledge. So read every message on this video. I'm no longer putting the procedure. If you want the procedure, I have different video. Go and find it and then read it. Then when you're ready, come back and discuss business. If you are from Dubai, download Botim, because you cannot have a video call conference on WhatsApp, because Dubai is not allowed to do WhatsApp, only Botim. But if you're outside Dubai, yeah, we can have a Zooming. I'm going to interview you and our conversation is live. Yeah, don't be scared, because nowadays everything now is on social media. I'm the one who introduced this. You would not find this video to any joker broker. They don't show their faces. And if they're gonna be rejected, they get angry. Oh, Wilhelmina's a scammer. I don't know how much I scam you guys. I have no idea. Someone was stealing my information from my platform on Facebook. And they blogged me. Oh, the more you blog me, the more the buyer will believe. Why Wilhelmina? If Wilhelmina is a scammer, Wilhelmina would not show her face. Correct. I am real. The only problem with you guys, you did not meet the criteria. I have already bad experience. If I mention the name from UK, that he go behind my back, I'm telling you, this buyer from UK would be embarrassed, but I'm not going to mention his name. There's a lot of buyers from UK. I have been rejected. They didn't meet the criteria. They are dreaming. Gold is not for dreamer. You need to have a capital in order to get your dream, in order to get your goal. If you don't have much capital, how could you reach your goal? Because no one is giving you for nothing. Even myself, I'm not going to travel for free. I'm giving you already free knowledge worth $1 million, you must remember. So bear with Wilhelmina. Don't be scared. If you're gonna be rejected, don't be angry. Yeah, you tell me, Wilhelmina, can you assist me? I am going to buy gold, but I have a limited cash. I'm going to tell you, save money. Then you come back when you have available fund. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening. Watch this video. Read the message on this video, because I'm no longer explaining the procedure. The procedure is very clear and simple. Gold is money. You're buying the gold asset. So therefore, you need to have a capital. Does that make sense? Thank you.